Winning a Powerball lottery jackpot requires that you select the correct 5 numbers between 1 and 50 inclusive, and in a separate drawing, you must also select the correct single number between 1 and 40 inclusive. Find the probability of winning the jackpot. Is the correct answer A, 1 out of 2,118,800, B, 1 out of 2,118,760, C, 1 out of 84,750,400, D, 1 out of 146,107,962, or E, none of these. So we need to find the probability of winning the jackpot. And let's begin by writing that down. Probability of winning jackpot. Before we can begin to solve this, let's look at the combinations that we need. The problem tells us that we need 5 numbers between 1 and 50, so there's a combination of 50, and that we also need a single number between 1 and 40, so there's a combination of 40. So this is going to be a combination problem. So to write the rest of your probability, it will be 1 out of the 50 combinations of 5 times the 40 combinations of 1. In order to solve this problem, we're going to use a calculator. I'm using the TI-84 calculator. The first thing we need to do is type in the number of combinations, which is 50. Hit our math button, arrow over to PRB, or probability, and then down to NCR, the number of your combinations. Hit enter, and then 5 we're going to type in the calculator, because that is the number of correct numbers that we need out of 50. Hit enter, and that gives us the first part to our equation. So that equals 1 out of, that answer was 2,118,760. And remember, we still need to multiply that by our other combination. We will do the same thing. We'll go to the calculator. We'll clear this out first. 40, because that was the total number of numbers that we had. Math, arrow over to probability, down to NCR, enter, and 1. We needed to get the correct 1 number of the combinations. Enter, and that's 40. So the second part of our problem then would be 40 equals, now we have to multiply our 2 numbers together, so let's bring up the calculator again, clear that out. 2,118,760 times 40. Our answer is 84,750,400. So that would be then, write that down there, 1 out of 84,750,400. We'll bring the calculator up again just so we can verify that. Same answer. So your correct answer in this case then would be C, 1 out of 84,750,400. Correct answer, C. C.